Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up a DMARC record for your email so that you stop ending up in spam. I can barely talk here, so bear with me. You can get a 30-day free trial link down below for GoHighLevel if you don't already have GoHighLevel account. This is for everyone that is watching this video. Now let's get started. So basically, we want to go here in the sub account. We can use whatever sub account we want to set up email in. And once we are in the sub account here, you want to go to settings. And from settings, we want to go to email services. So within email services, this is what it's going to say, creating a dedicated domain. So in order to set up a DMARC system or add a DMARC, you will need to create a dedicated domain. So that's the first thing you have to create. So click create a dedicated domain. Here you will need to enter your domain name. If you purchase domain on Namecheap, if you purchase domain anywhere else like maybe GoDaddy, you can put that domain name right here. So I'll just put fuelyourdigit.com. So if that is my domain, as you can see, I can go and I can add and verify that domain. Now, once I click add and verify, I will need to go through the manual verification of the connecting my domain and subdomain. I can either go here, continue. I can try to set it up like that, but in most cases, it will not work that good. Let me kind of show you. So as you can see, again, either if you go automatic or manual, you will need to use this. So basically, how can you set this up? Let me kind of show you in a second. Now, once we're here, what we want to do is we want to go to our domain hosting provider. So for me, it's going to be Namecheap. For you, it might be GoDaddy. But basically, we will need to copy all of this in this right here in the domain. So first click manage domain on your domain hosting provider. Once you click manage domain, you will need to wait a little bit and scroll. You should be able to see advanced DNS or DNS. And here you will be able to edit this. So for example, you would be able to add new record. So first you would need to add new text record. You would need to copy the host and required values. So how you're doing this is you add a text record. So if we go here, if we scroll down, we have text record. Host is this right here. And then we also have required value, which is this right here. Once we paste this, we just hit save changes. And we want to do this for each of these. So for this text, we do, again, the host is this, required value is this. For the CNAME, the email is this, or the host, sorry, is this, and then required value is this. So just copy this and paste it right here. Now, as you can see, if you want the CNAME, you just go here and type, enter the CNAME. And then that's pretty much it. Now, once you enter all of these within your hosting provider, you will go and you will basically click verify records. Once you click verify records, that will be it. You will basically verify your domain. You will be able to send emails from that domain. So that's pretty much how you be able to set up and add a DMARC record for GoHighLevel email sending domains. Now, obviously, if you have more questions or more specific questions for this, you can definitely comment down below. And also you can get a 30-day free trial down below with our link in the description on GoHighLevel if you're new around here. So thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video.